Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, September 20. Government is marking the 2017-2018 school year for the launch of an initiative linking the Halfway Tree Transport Center and schools in the corporate area by way of closed-circuit television CCTV. Education Minister Ruel Reid made the disclosure Tuesday following a tour of the transport center.
My ministry will be partnering with all the other stakeholders to make sure we get that feed into the ministry and eventually into the schools. Because as I said, that schools already have surveillance camera system, transportation center has, and we just need to have an integrated system so we all can have a better monitoring of the system, both for the safety of the students and the users of the transport center, and ensure that there is good discipline that is taking place in this public space.
Calling the tour an excellent exercise, the minister said he was able to make an assessment of the level of discipline based on first-hand knowledge. Senator Reid added that he would be making another unannounced visit to the transport center on a Friday afternoon in the near future. The education curriculum has been realigned to include more technology-based options as the ministry seeks to ensure the nation's young people are equipped to face the changing needs of society. State Minister for Youth Floyd Green shared the details at the United Nations Development Programme's Social Good Summit held on Monday at the Spanish Court Hotel in New Kingston. Minister Green said 12,000 teachers have been trained to implement the system for rollout in primary and secondary schools.
We're integrating technology into the ecosystem that includes the instructional delivery and the ongoing assessments, appropriate interventions, and tracking of outcomes and of learning. A curriculum that infuses technology in every aspect. A curriculum that says to our students, we are putting you at the center of education. That we want to ensure that when you are finished this course of study, not only are you able to pass exams, but you are able to critically think, to assess, to manipulate the technology for all our social good.
The Social Good Summit examined the impact of technology and new media on social initiatives around the world. It also highlighted current technology solutions and concepts that address development challenges. Government has reiterated its commitment to privatizing garbage collection and disposal operations on the island. Portfolio Minister Edmund says this would include the management of state-run disposal sites, such as Riverton City in Kingston and Retirement in St. James. Minister Mackenzie was addressing journalists on Friday following a tour of sections of Marcus Garvey Drive, which were flooded recently.
The National Solid Waste Management Authority will return to its core function as the regulatory arm. So that means they will be free.
Meanwhile, the minister advised that additional garbage trucks are expected to arrive by year-end into early 2017, with more to be acquired thereafter. He said instructions have been given for private trucks to be hired to assist where the need is identified island-wide. An enterprise team in the Ministry of Tourism is now working to increase Jamaica's presence as one of the world's major gastronomy destinations. That team is led by former president of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, Nicola Madden-Gregg. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the island will be tapping into the $150 billion business of fusing food, culture, music, sports, and entertainment.
We want to increase the tourism spend. We want to earn more tourism dollars.
Minister Bartlett was speaking recently at the official opening of the first franchise of Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records in Oteria, St. Anne. And finally, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is in New York representing Jamaica's interests at the 71st session of the United Nations General Assembly. The Prime Minister left the island on Monday and returns this Saturday, September 24. Mr. Holness will be delivering Jamaica's statement paper under the theme, The Sustainable Development Goals, a Universal Push to Transform Our World. While there, the Prime Minister will be meeting with the members of the Jamaican diaspora and hold bilateral talks with world leaders. Prime Minister Holness will also attend the Clinton Global Initiative and deliver a keynote address at Columbia University. In his absence, Dr. Horace Chang will be in charge of the government. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thank you for watching.